friends, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So today's question that we are going to explore is what are some ways of earning money online on a software technologies. So what software technologies we are talking about here? The job role is regarding finding the bugs using bounty programs. As you know that there are different companies which keep using different softwares for their day-to-day life and day-to-day uses. For example, whether it's a pharma company, biotech company, whether it's a government sector or whether it's your personal mobile phone or desktop, everything uses a software which runs smoothly and gives you their services. However, according to one survey, there were some failures in the softwares for a big company and it costed them a lot of money just because the software was crashed for one day. In fact, most of these incidents were probably avoidable with proper QA best practices. If there is one thing in life you can always count on is the developer's mistake and developers making mistakes all the time. So this brings us to the bounty program, a good opportunity to make some passive income online for you. Hunting for bugs, or what's called as a bug bounty hunting, is the process of being paid to find vulnerabilities in the software, websites, and the web applications. The act of crowdsourcing means a company can tap into a pool of collective intelligence. The more people who work on a problem, the higher the probability of finding flaws in an application. Most companies do not have access to a full-time or dedicated security team, nor do they have the money to invest in dedicated resources for such efforts. So some of these companies reach out to private contractors like you and me for help, or better yet, just open source this to the public. So this way, some programmers make tens of thousands of dollars per year on a side hustling via bounty program. So what are you waiting for? Just find such bounties and start earning money today. Thank you guys.